You are working on a PowerPoint template, you have added all placeholders, and you want the shapes to be in front of pictures. This is normally difficult because PowerPoint puts placeholders automatically in front of any shape you add to the slide master. There is a workaround where this will work. When you add a picture, it will go behind any shapes or designs you create here. The way to approach this, I'm going to view and entering the slide master, is to simply cut out portions of the picture to make it look like the shape would be in front of the picture. I know this is not a perfect solution, but what you need to know is when you add a placeholder, PowerPoint, at least at this point, is programmed that way that the placeholders will be in front of any kind of shape you add. Shapes will be in the background no matter what. But what we can do, we can add any given shape here to PowerPoint. We can click on the actual placeholder, press Shift and click on the shape itself. Now within the shape format, because PowerPoint luckily treats this placeholder as a shape, you can go to the normal merge shape tools. For example, you can subtract this little part from the actual placeholder, and if I click away, you see there is a big dent cut out here on the left side of this picture. The same way I created this one. I cut out the left top portion and I cut out this little triangle on the right. Of course, this design isn't great, but it shows you what is possible with this technique. As you can see, we achieved the result we wanted, and I have this shape in front of the picture. At least it looks like so. Shout out to Kamil Kenar here from Excellent Slides. We were talking about this topic, and we both hope that Microsoft will come up with a better solution where we can arrange elements on a template the way we want, not the way Microsoft programmed placeholders to be always on top. I get the idea why they are on top, but it shouldn't be that way. We should have more control as designers over it. If you come up with more ideas like that, let me know in the comments. Maybe you've worked around this in a different way. I'd like to hear your opinion on this topic. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn PowerPoint with me, you know that you have links to my online courses below. For now, I thank you very much for watching this lecture. Hit the like button if you want to help me out, and see you in other lectures.